Fahad Al-Hamad, Blizzard task. Full speed bar. First turn, he takes some space to do the transition in the middle. Full turn, it's very difficult. We need a lot of energy to manage this. But until now, he is coming back. He is doing everything correctly. Maybe the second turn was not the best, but 3 other turns was pretty good. Jan is experienced pilot. The snake tree. Pushing up with the speed bar. Going for the first turn. Everything correct until now. Second turn. Lack a little bit of the dynamics in this flight for Jan. Pick up the altitude, he needs to reduce it now, and last turn and big straight line to the gate. Closing the time. Thomas Golze entering to the Blizzard. And let's see how he will treat the Blizzard. First turn, pretty wide. Now he will have to shorten it up in the middle section. Wide, but still keeping the good trajectory, not losing too much speed. Last turn, little bit wide. It will cost him for sure. But he is now on the straight line to the gate. Need to release the power a little bit. Close the time. Let's see how he will find himself in the Blizzard. Going towards first turn, very high speed. Okay, short. So what now? Middle section. He needs to pull the hands as much as he can. And he managed it. Almost touching the water, but he is lucky and he didn't. We have beautiful slalom from Václav Prochaska. We can see that he's missing a bit of power with his weight, but it's very good try for Václav Prochaska. Ibrahim Hussain, 30, number 30, going on full speed. First turn. Nice. Second, here he have to squeeze more. Push the speed bar and transition, very good transition. It will be good in his time. And then the last turn also pretty nice. Now very important, yes, there is speed bar, strong legs in the front. We could see that the wing follow him through the gate without any problem. Not the best on his possibilities. Now he is doing better. He's trying to short it up, but he's going up. It's also a distance if you go up. You need to use this energy. He's going to the gate. Not bad. Qatar pilot, double champion in the last 2 championships in trike. 2-time gaining the highest step of podium. He knows what to do and he knows how to do it fast. Very nice keeping on, and let's see. A lot of dynamic, a lot of speed, a lot of good things in this slalom. Let's see Milan Clement. First turn. Second turn. Milan is heavyweight pilot. That's why it's very hard for him to pull up the 360 tasks. But we can see that he managed the technique to go very short over the pylon. And let's see how it will help him. And Saulius is opening his time. Going for the first turn of the Blizzard, and first one is done. Looking for the second one. He let himself get a little more far, change, and still close to the pylon. And the last one need to be short, and it's very short. It's very short. We can see the performance. Conditions are perfect, and he's closing the time.